There's a quiet tension that builds when your choices are guided by expectations instead of truth. What makes sense on paper doesn't always feel right inside, and over time, that gap creates confusion. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote invites a gentler, more honest way to find clarity when decisions feel heavy or unclear. Clarity comes from asking what you really want, not what you should want. This quote reminds us how often our desires are shaped by outside voices, family expectations, cultural norms, ideas of success we inherited without questioning. When we focus on what we should want, we disconnect from what actually matters to us. Asking what you really want doesn't mean acting impulsively or ignoring responsibility. It means listening inwardly before deciding outwardly. It means noticing what brings energy instead of obligation, alignment instead of pressure. That kind of honesty clears mental fog because it replaces comparison with self-trust. Clarity grows when we stop performing our lives and start participating in them. When desire is acknowledged without judgment, decisions become steadier, not because they're easier, but because they're grounded in truth rather than expectation. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. When you're facing a choice, pause and ask yourself quietly, if no one else had an opinion, what would feel right here? Let that answer inform your next step. Carry that honesty with you as the day unfolds. You don't need permission to want what you want. Clarity often begins there. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Self-trust clears confusion, and honesty leads to alignment. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.